The standard day for me is getting to the pool at about 5:30 for pre-pool. So that involves just that room down there, just stretching, mobilising, waking myself up, and then train for about 2 hours, get out, and then usually I'll have breakfast. Sometimes I'll have Pilates or rehab, and then in the afternoon I'll get to the pool at about 5:30. I gym 3 times a week, and I think the main aim at the moment is just building strength up. I came to the uni quite new to the gym, so throughout my years here I've tried to be just building my strength up. When I get closer to a competition, it will change to power, where it will be lighter weights but faster, so I'll be able to be faster in the pool but be stronger by doing it. Lectures are usually around lunchtime, so I'll tend to go straight from a lecture from gym or the pool, and then I'll just bring food with me. So having a routine definitely helps my training and aids it well, because I like knowing what I have when, and also it helps me prepare food, because if I'm bulk making something or need to get food ready to bring to the pool for training before a lecture, I can prepare it in advance, because otherwise if I were to leave it last minute I'd stress and I'd worry about it in a training session when actually I need to be focusing on the training rather than what's going on outside. So routines definitely do help me.